old V6 gearbox, 24 valve, and I'm just curious to see if this comes out cleanly. Cool. So tomorrow I'll take the one at the current car. Right, don't know how this is going to come out, but stage one is flick off the clip, pull off the connector. Just make sure it goes the right way. So undoing, not doing up. And power level. I'll go down 200, you can really see that. Clearly. So, right. Okay, that's got it. Just need to stop the power a bit. And okay, take that off. Okay, take that off. And down we come. Just going to be careful not to drop anything in here. This is the one I'm going to replace it with. As always, I'm going to add some anti-seize, copper slip, whatever you want to call it. Obviously it can get a bit messy. It's not toxic, as far as I know. Right, so now I'm going to put it in. Just a standard half-inch wrench, just a little bit that'll do. This clip needs to go over the tab, so just rotate it whichever way it most wants to go. There it goes. Okay, so now we have our 164 with nicely working reversing lights, which I shall show you when it gets a bit darker.